Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the third Sudoku, a binary Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday, November the 21st. Yes, it's weekend, almost weekend. No, it's weekend, yes. And the third Sudoku is a binary Sudoku. And this one, let me focus this, will be number 1919. Alright, what kind of binary puzzle is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Let's get started. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright, double one, here no, there no. Oh, we have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Interesting. For 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then the rest are O's. 3 O's in a row in this column is not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. Do we have here? Alright. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, the 4th one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Alright. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then I need 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku without comparing. Yes, it's solvable. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku. It will be a tectonic one. Yes, tectonic, aka Suguru, a 4 stars Suguru. So see you later. Bye bye for now.